But I'm also fascinated with what Abdulrahman ibn Awf did. That he could have taken that opportunity, but he chose to take what? Honor, and not to take handouts. Sa'd said to Abdulrahman, my brother, Inni aktharul ansari malan. I am a man from the people of Medina, as you know, and I have a lot of money. I'm one of the richest people of Medina. He said, what I can do is, faqsim mali nisfain. My wealth, 50-50. You take 50 and I take 50. Walimra'atani, I have two wives. Whichever of those two women you want, marry her. I will divorce her for you. Abdulrahman ibn Awf said to him, Barakallahu laka fi ahlika wa malik. May Allah increase for you your wealth and your family. Ayna suqukum? Where is your market? Fadulluni, he said, show me where the market is. And he showed him where the market is. And he made money for himself, Abdulrahman ibn Awf. He knew how to trade. He knew this craft and this skill. He knew it in Mecca. So he made money and he became very wealthy. Abdulrahman ibn Awf, one of the wealthy companions of Medina. Radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. As much as I am amazed and I'm fascinated and I'm gobsmacked and with what Sa'd ibn Rabi' did, but I'm also fascinated with what Abdulrahman ibn Awf did. That he could have taken that opportunity, but he chose to take what? Honor, and not to take handouts, to work for what he has to earn for his family and his loved ones.